How to duplicate a design in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate the project or design. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Now here, you can add any of the photos or project that you want to input. So I'm in this editing platform now. Now in order to copy it or duplicate it, simply first tap on this text or tap on this image. Now here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the option called duplicate. So simply tap on duplicate. Now a different layer has been created. So as you can see, there are two different layers available. Now you can edit the both ones however you like. So this is mainly used in order to have a type of trial in your first edit. Now you can adjust it and edit it in your preference. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.